how to fix battery unknown part on iPhone. So if you want to solve the iPhone battery unknown part on your iOS 17, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. From the settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then you'll find an option of general. Tap on general and then scroll down again and go with transfer and reset iPhone. Tap on reset, which will be on the bottom, and then reset all of your settings. Once you've reset your settings, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is just simply go back and then open up your browser or your Safari, anything that you're comfortable with. Go with search and search for Apple support. After that, go with support.apple.com and then scroll down and then select your device. Scroll down again and go with my support and report the problem to Apple. Or what you can do is you can just simply go with your official Apple store and change your battery. So these were the few solutions, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.